Body. Today I want to discuss about the different parts of eye. So let's see the eye. So this is the portions of sclera. This is the outermost portions. All of you have seen it, and then it helps to the protect the choroid. The next part, next outermost part of the eye, and then remain the cornea. uh, uh, Majority of the students ask the questions, sir, what cornea actually do? Now, the cornea acts as the eye's outermost lens. তাই চোখের outermost lens হচ্ছে কি অ্যাকচুয়ালি কর্নিয়া. It functions like a window that contours and focuses the entry of light into the eye. It functions like a window that contours and focuses the entry of light into the eye. অর্থাৎ চোখের মধ্যে লাইটের এন্ট্রি এবং ফোকাসিংয়ে সাহায্য করছে কি কর্নিয়া. And it contributes, if you see, then you can find out, it contributes 65 to 75% of the eye's focusing power. আইয়ের যে ফোকাসিং পাওয়ার সেটাকে প্রায় 65 থেকে 75% কন্ট্রিবিউট করে কে এই কর্নিয়া. And if we see, then we can find out that when a light is actually strikes the cornea or it bends, যখনই কর্নিয়াতে এসে পড়ছে তখন এটাকে কী করে, এটা বেন্ডস করে or retracts or bends or refracts, মানে কী করে জানো তোমরা, এমনিতে কর্নিয়া প্রতিসরক মাধ্যম হিসেবে কাজ করছে, তাই it refracts the incoming light onto the lens. তাই how do the cornea helps to the focus? Now when a light strikes the cornea, it bends or refracts the incoming light onto the lens, and thus it acts as a refractor, media of refractor. Okay, so this is the main functions of cornea. It functions basically to focus the light. Now I come to the point, retina. Basically I want to discuss about cornea, what have I mentioned, and now I want to discuss about retina. All of you know that it remains to the it contains two types of nerve cells, basically rod cell and cone cell. If you see that picture representation, then you can find out it, and so rod cells and cone cells, there are 11 to 12.5 crore rod cells, whereas 63 to 68 cone cells are present. Basically rod cells helps to the dark visions, or in dark time visions it helps. It helps to the human. And if you see, it contains different types of cells, the pigment cells, photosensitive cells, bipolar cells. So different types of cells are present. And if you see, there is a minor difference between the structure. The rod cells are basically rod shaped, whereas the cone cells are basically cone shaped. Okay, and the main functions is to formations of image.